What's going on, guys? It's me again, Rafiu Yakub from Regular Graphics and Multimedia. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys a quick way to change your corelDRAW workspace from light mode to dark mode without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very into this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about corelDRAW graphics, Illustrator and Photoshop, you get notified. So without wasting much of our time, so let's see how you guys can change your corelDRAW workspace from light mode to dark mode. So let's get started. So right here, you have to come to the home tab right here. So in this video, I'm using Corel 2019. These features can also be used in Corel 2020, Corel 22, and Corel 2021, Corel X8, etc. But for this video, I'm using Corel 2019. So if you are using Corel 2019, all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video. So when you get to Tools, just click on Tools, then go to Options. From Options, you have to go to Customizations. So at this point here, this is where everything is going on. Then come here and click on Dark. So immediately you choose Dark, is going to change your workspace to works environment to dark. Then finally you come down below here and click on OK. Boom. So guys, this is how you can change your corelDRAW workspace or corelDRAW interface from light mode to dark mode without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step and understand the simple step to follow in order to achieve this. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you would like to join, if you would like to check on advanced graphics and Photoshop graphic, Illustrator graphic, kindly visit my channel and watch the thousands of videos about corel graphics and Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop graphic tutorial. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.